Hey, Coach Ron here today. I want to share with you how you can fix those dry, rough, scaly patches on your skin without the use of things like steroidal creams and prescription creams that have all those crazy side effects that you don't want to have to deal with. Now, the product that I found is called Renew Intensive Skin Therapy, and this stuff is worth its weight in gold. Now, I'm no chemist and I'm no scientist. What I can tell you is it's derived from all natural ingredients, and the name Renew is just that. It renews your skin. It keeps the moisture in your skin. It doesn't go on heavy and greasy, and it helps your skin retain the moisture that you need for that youthful feel in your skin. As we get older, our skin needs more moisture in it so that it retains that youthful glow. This stuff is also safe not only for adults, but for children and infants as well as an all over everyday lotion. So if you'd like to know more about how to save your skin, drop me a note below.